Hi everyone! In this video, you're going to find out if the AWS Certified Solutions Architect Associate is worth it. My name is Lauren, and this channel is all about showing you how to become a highly paid IT pro fast. Let's get started. What is AWS Certified Solutions Architect Associate certification? AWS Certified Solutions Architect Associate is a mid-level certification offered by Amazon. You would usually pursue this certification after gaining basic hands-on experience in Amazon's cloud platform or passing the Amazon Cloud Practitioner certification. This certification validates your skills in the design, planning, and deployment of AWS Cloud-based solutions. An AWS Certified Solutions Architect Associate understands a business's IT challenges and uses the best available, cost-effective, fault-tolerant, and scalable solutions to solve them. The certification equips you with the necessary skills to design a solution to solve a complex problem using architectural design principles based on customer requirements, available AWS solutions, and best practices of project management. Amazon recommends that you have at least 1 year of experience implementing solutions using the AWS Cloud. AWS Certified Solutions Architect will help you get jobs in a diverse range of areas in the cloud computing sector, including Cloud Engineer, Cloud Solutions Architect, Cloud Operations Engineer, Cloud Developer, and AWS Engineer. Most of the jobs involve consulting, problem solving, and project management. According to Robert Half's 2020 salary report, cloud computing is one of the top in-demand skills of 2020. With nearly half of the public cloud market share, Amazon is the biggest vendor. As a result, the demand for AWS professionals is rising. In a Jefferson Frank survey, cloud professionals said that an AWS Solutions Architect certification is one of the 2 certifications that are most likely to have a positive impact on one's earning potential. The duration of the exam is 130 minutes and costs $150 US. There are 2 types of questions in the exam. The first is multiple choice questions with only 1 correct response, while the second is multiple choice questions with multiple correct answers. Have you decided to get the AWS Certified Solutions Architect Associate certification? In the comments area below this video, leave a comment of yes if you've already decided, or I'm thinking about it if you've not yet decided. Now, let's take a look at the skills measured by the AWS Certified Solutions Architect Associate. The main objective of the certification is to equip you with skills that you can use to implement AWS technology for cloud-based solutions. In summary, the skills you will learn are making architectural decisions based on AWS architectural principles, design patterns, and best practices. Using AWS services to make an existing infrastructure scalable, reliable, and available. Using AWS managed services to enable greater flexibility and resiliency in an infrastructure. Learning EC2, Identity Access Management, S3, and load balancing in AWS. Applications in AWS. IAM, AWS Directory Service, and all about databases in AWS. On a more granular level, these are the skills that you will develop. Design resilient architectures. Design a multi-tier architecture solution, design highly available and/or fault-tolerant architectures, design decoupling mechanisms using AWS services, and choose appropriate resilient storage. Design high-performing architectures. Identify elastic and scalable compute solutions for a workload. Select high-performing and scalable storage solutions for a workload. Select high-performing networking solutions for a workload, and choose high-performing database solutions for a workload. Design secure applications and architectures. Design secure access to AWS resources. Design secure application tiers, and select appropriate data security options. Design cost-optimized architectures. Identify cost-effective storage solutions. Identify cost-effective compute and database services, and design cost-optimized network architectures. For a more complete curriculum, Download the latest AWS Solutions Architect Associate exam objectives located in the description area under this video. Let's now look at the prerequisites for the AWS Certified Solutions Architect Associate certification. Anyone can attempt the certification exam, but Amazon highly recommends that you have at least 1 year of experience in AWS technologies, such as compute, networking, storage, database, deployment, and security. Your best option would be to get the AWS Cloud Practitioner certification before embarking on the AWS Certified Solutions Architect Associate. This will lay a strong foundation upon which you could build your advanced AWS learning. How to prepare for the AWS Certified Solutions Architect Associate certification exam. To prepare for the AWS Certified Solutions Architect Associate, there are several options available. Let's look at these options in more detail. Self-study resources. Many students use self-study resources to prepare for the exam. Using self-study resources has become much easier due to YouTube, online courses, white papers, forums, and books. Let's take a look at some of these resources. Books. Books provide in-depth coverage of the concepts you need to cover to pass the exam. Books are usually designed and written based on the exam objectives. Therefore, your preparation with books will be structured and focused. The best book to prepare for the exam is the AWS Certified Solutions Architect Official Study Guide. You can find a link to this book in the description area under this video. If you think books aren't for you, or if you want to complement your understanding from books with visual and easy-to-grasp explanations, there are several other resources which you can use. AWS Ramp-Up Guide. Amazon has designed a Ramp-Up Guide for AWS Solutions Architect certification preparation. This guide links to useful resources that can be used for exam preparation. The guide has links to white papers, courses, classrooms, digital training, and videos. You can find a link to the AWS Ramp-Up Guide in the description area under this video. White papers and learning paths. It is recommended that you read AWS white papers published by Amazon if you want to pass the AWS Solutions Architect Associate certification. These white papers talk in detail about the different approaches and tools used in developing AWS architecture to solve complex problems. These white papers also explain in detail the dynamics of Amazon's well-architected framework. Amazon has also designed a special learning path for AWS Solutions Architect Certified Associate candidates. This learning path includes Architecting on AWS Accelerator, a 5-day course that covers topics from 2 other courses in this path, Architecting on AWS and Advanced Architecting on AWS. Another important part of this learning path is the Exam Readiness Intensive Workshop, AWS Certified Solutions Architect Associate, which covers architecting on AWS and exam readiness. Video training. If you think you understand complex concepts more easily with videos, you are in for a treat, as the internet is full of in-depth and easy-to-understand videos for the AWS Solutions Architect Associate certification. A free video prep method is to print out the exam objectives and then search for YouTube videos that cover each objective. This might take some time and effort, but it's free. You can also check out Pluralsight's video training for the AWS Solutions Architect Associate certification. You can also find many videos on AWS Solutions Architecting on Amazon's training portal. Also, don't forget to check out the AWS YouTube channel. You can find links to these video training resources in the description area under this video. Instructor-led training. If you prefer to learn directly from an AWS expert, you can use instructor-led training resources. With this type of training, you will have the ability to directly ask questions to the instructor. Keep in mind that instructor-led training is usually expensive. For instance, a 5-day training program offered by an Amazon-approved trainer costs around $1,800 US. In the description area below this video, you will find a link to expert instructor-led video training to help you prepare for the AWS Certified Solutions Architect Associate exam. Practice tests. The AWS Solutions Architect Associate certification exam is full of technical questions based on practical scenarios which can test your problem-solving and architecture skills. It's not easy to solve numerous multiple-choice questions in a short amount of time. The only way to refine your time management and problem-solving skills is to do as many practice questions as you can. You can start with practice tests by Simplilearn and Whiz Labs. You can also register on the AWS website and attempt a model test in a timed environment. In the description area below this video, you will find links to Simplilearn, Whiz Labs, and AWS website practice tests. Practice Labs. The certification exam has many practical questions where you are tested based on your ability to apply the concepts covered in the exam objectives. You should do as many practice labs as you can to train your mind to think critically, creatively, and quickly. Amazon has a portal where you can access many AWS practice labs. In the description area below this video, you will find links to the AWS practice labs. Now, let's look at what jobs you can get with an AWS Certified Solutions Architect Associate certification. The primary function of an AWS Solutions Architect is to design fault-tolerant, efficient, cost-effective, and scalable cloud-based solutions. With an AWS Certified Solutions Architect Associate certification, you can become eligible for the following roles: Solutions Architect, Data Engineer, Senior Solutions Architect, Cloud Solutions Architect, Cloud Engineer, Cloud Operations Engineer, AWS DevOps Architect, AWS Cloud DevSecOps Architect, and AWS Enterprise Architect. However, it is important to keep in mind that just passing the Solutions Architect Associate certification is not enough to secure these lucrative jobs. Your first priority should be to enter the industry as soon as you can. If you can't, try to create your own projects or get some freelance work. Hands-on experience always gets attention of recruiters and companies. You can also consider going for AWS Certified Solutions Architect Professional certification to give you more of an edge. Now, let's talk about how much money you can make with the AWS Certified Solutions Architect Associate certification. Given the dominance of AWS in the public cloud industry, the demand for smart individuals skilled in designing and developing efficient and scalable cloud solutions for companies is rising. According to the Global Knowledge 2020 IT Skills and Salary Survey, AWS Certified Solutions Architect Associate is one of the top-paying IT certifications for 2020. According to PayScale, the average salary for AWS Solutions Architect Associate certification holders is around $113,044. Let's see what other people think about this certification. Here are a few observations from successful AWS Certified Solutions Architect Associate certification holders in the industry. This certification is getting interest from thousands of individuals due to the enormous demand in the industry. Let's look at some feedback from people who passed the certification to see what tips and tricks we can learn. Here's a comment from Reddit user Farhandarzada. Here's a comment from Reddit user Production SE. Here's a comment from Reddit user Andriel. The truth about AWS Certified Solutions Architect Associate. Small and large businesses worldwide are deploying AWS. The AWS Certified Solutions Architect Associate certification will make you eligible to apply for high-paying cloud-related jobs with confidence. However, the certification is not a shortcut to success. You need to ensure that you can demonstrate that you can use AWS to solve big or small problems. Show a practical mindset. Companies prefer candidates who have gotten their hands dirty with actual projects. You should also complement the AWS Certified Solutions Architect Associate certification with more cloud industry certifications offered by Amazon, Microsoft, Cisco, and CompTIA. Is the AWS Certified Solutions Architect Associate certification for you? AWS is a relatively new technology, and a certification is one of the best ways to prove your AWS skills. AWS Certified Solutions Architect Associate will help you gain the attention of recruiters and companies looking for competent AWS professionals. So, is AWS Certified Solutions Architect Associate certification worth it? If you're looking to take your cloud career to the next level and make yourself eligible for high-paying and exciting cloud jobs, then the AWS Certified Solutions Architect Associate is definitely worth it. Check out the video on the right. to discover the top 10 tips and tricks to help you pass the AWS Certified Solutions Architect Associate exam.